Hey there, Justin Watt here from Watt Realty. Really excited to present this amazing townhouse here today in Arana Hills. What I like best about this is it's set at the end of the complex, so you don't have any neighbours. It's a beautiful split level townhouse with lots of space. The best part about it is it has an amazing outdoor and entertaining area. I can't wait to show this one to you. Come take a look. So as you can see, great properties like this don't come up very often. Feel free to reach out for an inspection or we'll see you at the open home.